spray water immediately after casing application and thereafter daily. Water is so sprayed that it does not travel to compost. Daily water spray the casing till the termination of crop. After casing, mycelium will travel in the casing soil. This process is known as case run, which is done at a temperature of 23 to 25 degrees Celsius with RH of 95% and carbon dioxide of about 10,000 ppm for about 1 week. Once the mycelium reaches the casing soil, now compost is ready for fruiting. Mushrooms will not appear from the bags or beds unless you give the shock to the mycelium or compost, and for this, we change the environmental conditions altogether. First, we bring down the air temperature to 15 to 17 degrees Celsius, RH to 85%, and we provide enough ventilation to the compost or room, which brings down the CO2 concentration to 800 till 1000 ppm. This change in environmental parameters induces pinhead formation in 3 to 4 days' time. The pinheads develop into solid button-sized mushrooms in another 3 to 4 days. At this stage, the air inside the cropping room is changed 4 to 6 times in an hour to maintain appropriate carbon dioxide concentration. Given above conditions, you will get the first harvest ready after 33 to 34 days of spawning. Mushrooms with 4 to 5 cm diameter and closed veil are harvested. Mushrooms are harvested by holding them between forefinger and thumb and rotating in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. The soil stem portion is cut with sharp knife and mushrooms are collected grade-wise in baskets. Daily watering to the bags or beds is required. Water is so sprayed that it remains to the casing soil only and does not leach down to the compost. If required, water can be sprayed 2 times on the bags. Mushrooms appear in the flushes. After harvesting mushrooms for 2 to 3 days, there is a gap when they reappear. 1.8 to 2 kg mushrooms is harvested per bag of 10 kg compost each in 30 to 40 days of cropping. Mushrooms after harvest are graded and packed in PP bags with 1 to 2 mm small holes all over. These packed mushrooms should immediately be sent to the market for their disposal.